We're going to break down the blueprint for mastering AI-driven knowledge management. And look, this isn't just about storing files anymore. It's about building a dynamic system that actually talks back to you. So what if you could turn months of agonizing reading into a completely searchable backbone of knowledge in under 10 minutes? The stakes in modern research have literally never been higher. Right now, you're probably drowning in a sea of data. We're talking 2-hour lectures, well over 100 densely packed research papers, scattered voice memos, you name it. It is physically impossible for a human brain to retain, let alone cross-reference all of that manually. It's a sink or swim situation. You either figure out a system to survive the academic workload or you just drown in it.
You know, the sources we're exploring today highlight a really profound sentiment that perfectly captures this struggle. I mean, if you're out there struggling to keep your head above water, feeling completely overwhelmed, know that you're definitely not alone. This explainer, it's designed to be a high-value shortcut. We're filling your trust bucket with proven professional-grade systems. We're going to bypass all those technical glitches and strict source limits that stop most academics right in their tracks, ultimately giving you back your time and, honestly, your sanity.
Okay, let's dive into this. Chronologically, right now, a lot of us are stuck right in the middle of the chaos phase. Your desktop is just a complete mess of folders, and that Watch Later playlist is packed with dead, unwatched content. Well, we are going to systematically transition you out of that chaos and into the system phase. This means setting up clean, source-grounded AI ingestion that you can entirely rely on. To actually make that transition, the blueprint identifies 5 essential AI tools. These form our comprehensive solution: NotebookLM, WhisperWeb, TranscribeHire, the Zotero plugin, and Atlas. Now, this isn't about signing up for every single AI tool out there on the internet. It's about using this precise, highly curated stack to build a bulletproof digital ecosystem.
Let's quickly break down what each of these actually does. NotebookLM acts as your central hub. WhisperWeb, that lets you transcribe private field notes locally. Then there's Transcriber, which is basically your secret weapon to bypass those incredibly frustrating YouTube import errors. The Zotero plugin bridges your citation manager right to the AI. And Atlas is specifically designed for visual thinkers who need long-term knowledge graphs. Used together, these tools totally bypass the common software limitations that normally break a researcher's workflow.
Step 1. Data ingestion. Let's get right into how we actually bring the data in. This is where we take the raw materials of your research and securely port them over into our new system. Now, you might be used to just blindly dragging and dropping PDFs, but we absolutely have to go further than that, because if you rely on native YouTube imports into AI tools, you're looking at up to a 40% failure rate. No way, right? So here's the clever workaround. Step 1, you use Transcriber to pull clean, 100% reliable text files directly from those online lectures. Step 2, run your voice memos straight through WhisperWeb. Then, and only then, do you bulk upload these clean, verified text files securely into NotebookLM. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer scale we're talking about here: 25 million words. To put that in perspective, NotebookLM can handle up to 50 individual sources per notebook, adding up to that massive 25 million word limit. But here is the absolute most crucial part. It's a source-grounded AI. That means it gives you answers based strictly on the exact data you uploaded. Zero hallucinations. It literally only knows what you teach it.
Step 2. Semantic layering. This is where we start getting some real cognitive relief by offloading our memory into the system.
Okay, so now that our data is cleanly ingested, we really need to address the elephant in the room. It's what the source material calls the blue ocean gap, or the silo problem. Right now, isolated AI notebooks like NotebookLM simply cannot talk to each other across different projects. Add to that the incredibly frustrating lack of automated APA or MLA formatting, and well, exporting all that synthesized data into your writing tools becomes a total nightmare. To solve this silo problem, the blueprint proposes what's called the hybrid workflow. On one hand, you use NotebookLM for rapid research sprints to quickly synthesize a single project. But then you pair it with a tool like Obsidian or Atlas, which acts as your permanent second brain. So NotebookLM handles the fast, heavy-lifting synthesis, while Atlas takes care of the long-term, cross-project knowledge graphing. This hybrid approach is a total game changer because it unlocks semantic layering. It's all about cognitive relief, guys, permanently offloading that stressful, wait, where did I read that again feeling? When you pull your synthesized sprints into a visual mind map like Atlas, you aren't just looking at a list of what you know, you're actually visually mapping out connections.
And doing that immediately reveals the empty spaces in the literature. By showing you exactly what's missing, the system literally hands you the thesis for your next research project.
Step 3. Dynamic querying. So, the crucial point is, how do we extract the absolute maximum value from all of this?
Right. Once you've ingested the data and structured the layers, you have to get the insights. Welcome to the insight phase, powered by a specific golden loop. First, you query multiple sources simultaneously. When the AI hands you a great synthesis, you save it to a note. Then, you convert that exact note back into a source itself. Finally, you distill it down into highly dense theme notes. This precise loop is absolutely key to reclaiming your time. You can literally take an 18-hour video lecture series and compress the whole shebang into a pristine, searchable 5-minute study guide.
But listen, you can't just ask the AI basic surface-level questions. You need advanced power prompts. Don't just ask for summaries. Instead, command the AI to extract conflicting findings between dozens of different papers. Command it to surface author-identified research gaps. Tell it to compare methodologies across these sources. You are actively forcing the AI to uncover contradictions between researchers that, let's be honest, you likely would have missed entirely on your own.
And that brings us to a massive pattern interrupt in how we typically view AI. We're talking about personal critique. Most people just use AI to summarize other people's work, right? But the advanced move here is using the AI as a devil's advocate. You want it to aggressively critique your own work. The goal is to expose logical leaps and missing citations long before peer review ever gets the chance to.
The climax, the AI mirror strategy. Let's move to and see how this builds into our final workflow. This is the most advanced workflow of this entire explainer. Once your backbone of knowledge is built, you take your own draft and upload it straight into the system. You let the AI reflect your work back to you right against the backdrop of those 25 million words of absolute ground truth. This specific step elevates the AI. It stops being just a passive, glorified storage drive and transforms into a highly dynamic, aggressive research partner that actively stress tests your logic.
But as we wrap up this structural blueprint, we really have to ground ourselves with a vital quote from our sources. AI is your research assistant, not the researcher. Make no mistake, the AI can find the contradictions, it can map out the gaps, and it can expose your logical leaps. But your human critique, your lived experience, your unique perspective, all of that is still absolutely required to forge those connections into a true academic breakthrough.
So, I'll leave you with this provocative prompts straight from the AI mirror strategy. I challenge you to take your current draft, upload it to your newly built backbone of knowledge right now,